I'm so excited to show you guys where I found these frames. They were super inexpensive and provided a wall gallery that is in my master bedroom, and I absolutely love it because that gives me that modern farmhouse flair. So stay tuned. So I wanted to share with you guys that we have finally decorated our master bedroom walls with these inexpensive frames from at-home stores. They were about $8, and then I went ahead and printed out some photos at Black River Imaging. They are my favorite, by far my favorite place to print out photos or any type of cards for my family. So I went ahead and printed out like some 8x10s, put them into these frames, and these frames are, they're not the best quality, but they're going to be placed on a wall that no one's going to touch. And so I just needed this one area right by my nightstand that I wanted to place the photos. So I went ahead and again got these from the at-home store and went ahead and printed out the photos. It already had the mat inside of it, which is great. And if you guys already know, my house has about 3 different wall galleries. I have one in the foyer as well as one leading up to the staircase to the kids' bedrooms. But overall, I'm pretty excited about how this turned out. Now, what I wanted to do also is I have a to finish decorating our master bedroom, we added sconces, and I'll go ahead and link to that video here in the corner. But the sconces added a little bit more decor to our otherwise blank wall. And again, our walls are painted with White Dove by Benjamin Moore. And what I wanted was more of a modern farmhouse type feel. And so what we did was we added 4 photos that were vertical into the space that basically sits right next to my nightstand. And my nightstand is actually a desk. As you guys know, I'm a vlogger, YouTuber, and I also have a corporate day job. And so being on the computer is really important to me, and having spaces where I can actually work is really important. So he's standing right there on our actual, my actual secretary's desk that I bought at World Market. But this is what it looks like. It looks amazing. Again, I didn't have to buy the mat. The frames are only $8. Again, from At Home Store. That olive plant that you see, that is from Hobby Lobby. They have them for like $20 if you can get them 50% off. I love how this turned out, and if you want to check out my sconce tutorial that is basically powered with a puck light, go ahead and check that out in the link below, or click on the eye icon. Make sure you subscribe so that next time I upload a new easy video, you guys get notified. Thanks guys, bye.